Hello, hello. Welcome, friends. Welcome to our English channel.
Hello, everyone. I am Jacob.
And I am Sophia.
We are very happy to see you today.
Yes, very happy. Thank you for learning English with us.
We speak slowly. We use easy English.
Yes, easy English for beginners, for you.
So relax, take a deep breath, and learn with us.
Let's start.
Before we start, please like this video.
Yes, please like the video. It helps our channel.
And please subscribe.
Subscribe to our channel. Click the subscribe button.
And click the bell.
The bell gives you new videos.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, friends. Today, we have a fun topic.
Yes, a very useful topic.
Today, we learn how to order food.
Order food in a restaurant.
Yes, ordering food in a restaurant.
This is very important.
Yes, you eat food, you talk to a waiter, you say what you want.
We will practice together.
We will ask questions. We will answer questions.
And we will repeat many times.
Because repeat is good.
Repeat helps you remember.
Okay, let's begin. Entering the restaurant. Okay, Jacob, we are in a restaurant now.
Yes, we walk into the restaurant.
We see a waiter.
The waiter says, "Hello."
Let's practice.
Hello. Welcome.
Hello.
Good. Very good.
Sometimes the waiter says, Hello, how are you?
And you can say, "I am fine, thank you."
Let's try.
Hello, how are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Great. And now asking for a table.
Now, you want to sit.
You want a table.
The waiter may say, How many people?
This means how many persons.
If you are alone, you say, One, please.
If you are with a friend, you say, "Two, please."
Let's practice.
How many people?
Two, please.
Very good.
The waiter says, This way, please.
This means follow me.
You walk to the table.
You sit down.
Now you sit at the table.
You need the menu.
The menu has food and drinks.
The waiter gives you the menu.
Or you can ask for the menu.
You can say, "Can I see the menu, please?"
Let's repeat. Can I see the menu, please?
Good. One more time.
Can I see the menu, please?
Very good.
The waiter says, Yes, of course.
Or, here you are.
Now you look at the menu.
You read the food.
You see soup, you see salad,
You see chicken. You see fish.
you see drinks, water, juice, soda.
You think, what do I want?
You take your time.
The waiter may ask, are you ready to order?
This means, are you ready to say your food?
If you are not ready, you say, not yet.
Or, one moment, please.
Let's practice.
Are you ready to order?
Not yet, please.
Good. Now you are ready.
First, you order a drink.
You can say, I would like water, please.
I would like is very polite.
Let's repeat. I would like water, please.
Good. Again.
I would like water, please.
Very nice.
You can also say, Can I have water, please?
Both are good.
Let's practice.
What would you like to drink?
I would like water, please.
Great!
What other drinks can we order?
Juice.
Coffee,
Tea.
soda.
Let's try again.
What would you like to drink?
Can I have tea, please?
Perfect. Now let's order food.
You look at the menu again.
You choose your food.
The waiter asks, "What would you like to eat?"
You say, I would like the chicken, please.
Let's repeat.
I would like the chicken, please.
Good. Again?
I would like the chicken, please.
Very good.
You can also say, can I have the chicken, please?
Yes, that is also good.
Let's practice.
What would you like to eat?
Can I have the salad, please?
Nice.
Now you try.
I would like the fish, please.
Great job. Sometimes you have questions.
Yes, you can ask about the food.
You can say, what is this?
Or, what is in this?
You want to know the food.
Let's practice.
What is in the soup?
It has chicken and vegetables.
Good.
You can also ask, is this spicy?
Spicy means hot.
Let's try.
Is the chicken spicy?
No, it is not spicy.
Very good. Now, very important.
Say please.
And say thank you.
This is polite.
Always say please.
Always say thank you.
Let's practice.
Here is your water.
Thank you.
Good.
And when you order, say please.
Yes. Please is very nice.
Now you have your food.
You eat.
The waiter may ask, how is your food?
This means, do you like it?
You can say, it is good.
Or, it is very good.
Let's practice.
How is your food?
It is very good, thank you.
Perfect.
If there is a problem, you can say, sorry, this is cold.
But today we keep it simple.
Yes, simple is good. Now you finish eating.
You want to pay.
You need the bill.
You can say, can I have the bill, please?
Let's repeat.
Can I have the bill, please?
Good. Again.
Can I have the bill, please?
Nice.
Here is your bill.
Thank you.
You pay.
You stand up.
You say goodbye.
You can say, thank you, goodbye.
Or, thank you. Have a nice day.
Let's practice.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a nice day. Great job, everyone.
Let's remember what we learned today.
We learned how to say hello.
We learned how to ask for a table.
How many people? 2, please.
We learned how to ask for the menu.
Can I see the menu, please?
We learned how to order drinks.
I would like water, please.
Can I have tea, please?
We learned how to order food.
I would like the chicken, please.
We learned to say please and thank you.
Very important. Please and thank you.
We learned how to ask for the bill.
Can I have the bill, please?
Now you can go to a restaurant.
Now you can order food.
You can speak simple English.
And that is great.
Now we have a small task for you.
Yes, a simple task.
Write in the comments.
Tell us what food you like.
You can write, I like pizza,
Or, I like chicken.
or I like soup.
Very simple.
Write one sentence,
We will read your comments.
and we will be very happy.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Thank you for watching.
You did a great job.
Keep practicing.
See you next time.
Bye bye.
Goodbye, friends.
Have a nice day.